YouTube? Cat here, back with another realistic rebuild. As you guys see on the screen, we got the Phoenix Suns this time with they're trash. They're trash. Devin Booker, DeAndre Ayton, TJ Warren. I'm gonna end up trading TJ Warren in the off season because I got Josh Jackson and Mikal Bridges. I don't need all of them. And I got Trevor Ariza also. So Tyson Chandler can go also. That 13 million. Yeah, I don't need all of that. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try to underachieve as much as possible because I want to get a top pick. So we also have Miami Heat's top 5 protected pick. So I'm gonna also try to keep that under wraps. And we got 3 second round picks, which I'm gonna try to do good with that also. Let me see if I can get another pick real quick for Tyson Chandler. Second round pick. I'll do that because I want to get his contract off of us. Like I said, I want to be as bad as possible, but I'm not going to force it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna see if I can what I can get for Brandon Knight also. If anything, like I said, anybody that made it to a team in real life, I'm not gonna do anything with them because the it's supposed to be a realistic rebuild. I think I might do this one right here just to get Brandon Knight's contract up off us. And I know we're gonna be trash. He's gonna get real good. So I just rather put my young core out there. And with us having all this talent, we need to go to G League actually. Which I'm going to put Marquise Chris in the G League. And Bridges. I'll put Bridges in the G League. Giannis became most valuable player, putting up 26 points and 10 rebounds a game. Luka Doncic is rookie of the year with 17 points a game, 9 rebounds a game. Larry Nance Jr. Sixth Man of the Year, 12 and 10. Giannis also gets Defensive Player of the Year with those 2.1 steals and 2 blocks a game. Buddy Hield gets Most Improved Player, so that's finally a change because it's always Chris Dunn. And Steve Kerr gets Coach of the Year with 60 and 22. I already know ain't nobody from my squad making this. Maybe we might have the rookie. We actually don't. Wow. Okay, so no bigs. It looked like it's no bigs. That's ridiculous. As you guys see our record, 31 and 51. Show y'all the stats. Devin Booker put up 24 points. Congratulations. Let's see what that let me see. The two guys. So he jumped up to a 77 overall. And he jumped to a 73.
And like I said, I'm showing you the standings. We're the second to worst team. And Miami is in the playoffs. Wow. Okay. Skip this whole playoffs. I think Golden State is going to win. Look like they're about to sweep LeBron. Well, they beat them in 5. They beat the Spurs in 5. Timberwolves is 6. And it looks like Golden State got a championship. Stephen Curry, 26 points a game.
Going into our second season, look who we picked up. We picked up LaMelo Ball, Shai Alexander, Kendall Johnson, and Taco Fall. I got Alexander and Montrezl Harrell. I also picked up Montrezl Harrell, and I got both of them through giving up 2 picks, and TJ Warren. If we needed a point guard, we got our point guard. I think now we should actually be more set. We got our point guard and our backup point guard. I think they did that in real life, even though he was their high pick. I think they would have did that in real life from the Clippers. I think they would have did that in real life. TJ Warren has still got time to grow, but he's an 81 overall, and with untapped potential, his ceiling was still super high. I think his potential stopped at like a 86, 87 in the right system. I mean, this doesn't look too bad. Let's go back again. I'm gonna put 2 players in Taco Fall goes to the G League, and I might end up sending Chris to the G League. Yeah, Chris, you can go to the G League also. In our second season, Giannis got most valuable player with 22 and 9. Reed got rookie of the year with 22 and 9. Dennis Schroeder got 6 man a year with 19 and 6. Andre Drummond defensive player of the year, 2 blocks a game, 2 steals a game. Jordan Bell got most improved player with 10 points a game. Don Carter got coach of the year, 61 and 21. Let's see if anybody from our squad made it. D'Angelo Russell bum ass made it. LaMelo. That's it. Wow. Okay. But as you guys see, our record 53 and 29. We made third in the conference. So Devin Booker 87, DeAndre Ayton 87, Josh Jackson off the bench 82, Bridges is an 83. With him being injured, he gonna come back as an 80 overall.
Come on. Come on, y'all. I see you down there, LaMelo. I see you down there, LaMelo. You wide open, like, come on, bro. Good still, good still. It's a wrap. I didn't do that, like, I really didn't just do that. That was all ball. Now I seen that was all ball. We jumped at the same time, all ball. Come on. Finally. Finally. Look how, finally. I've been trying to do the pick for the longest. A good pick. Okay, well that makes sense. Come on, you got son doing that though. To the rack. I can play bully ball with Steph. Let's go. Illegal pick. And one! 5 on Draymond. This is like, this gonna be a good one. If we can get Draymond up out of here. Good shot, good shot. Knew that shit was going in. Come on, you wanna try to trap me, man? The hell? Come on, good D, good D. Bro. Come on, to the rack. I know what I'm about to do. Fuck that. I know what I'm about to do. No threes. Play physical. Come on, last one. Get him out. Oh, I thought he was gonna foul me. Got 7 minutes to go. Bro, come on. God, this is what the fuck? Let's go. Who this on? Who this on? Oh my god, they are finessing. I wanted to be on Draymond. Even though I know they have Iggy, but I'd rather get Draymond up out of here, get that real piece of the dynasty out of here. You know, Draymond be cheating, he be finessing. Why is he open like Devin? Did y'all let Draymond do that fake ass shit? Like, down 5, 6 minutes ago. Now he a clutch free throw shooter. Wow. Look! Did you not see how Draymond just stepped up? That's why I gotta get him out of here. That's why I gotta get his bum ass out of here. Good shot. Come on. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Got this game tied up. Come on, bro. Like, I just wanted to stop Steph Curry. That was my whole plan right there. I just want to slow him down because I know he's going to do some finesse stuff. Just like that, they go back up. Oh my god. Who made this guy? Like, how did y'all make him? Like, bro, he can't do shit. Like, y'all really made him trash. Like, DeAndre Ayton can't hit a fucking layup? The nigga's 7 foot tall. Like, his around the basket game. Come on, bro. Like, y'all serious? Whoever made him just... And one, nigga. And one, man. Get him out of here. Bye, Draymond. See you later. See you next game if we make it. Come on, y'all. The dude jump shot trash. I don't know how y'all made this, man. Come on, down one. One opposite side, man. What? What? To the right! Come on! Oh, good. Come on, he's gonna try to work this, Good miss. Come on, we got more than enough time. Let's go! 31 and 9 for LaMelo. No. Come on. Okay. That was smart. Damn, that was smart. That was smart. I didn't get that. That was smart. Come on, we get a championship this year. Come on, let's go. Good shot. That's a shot. Look, I knew it was good. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is what I'm saying. Bro, this is what I'm saying, dog. Devin. We up one. Goodness. Oh, come on, Andre Iguodala in his, like, 16th year. Come on, man. Take a roll, maestro. One stop, man. We need one stop. Good shot. He missed. Come on. Oh, this bitch. Finesse. Montrezl Harrell. Putback king. Hall of Fame. He might not even have a badge. Let's go. Finesse. Did you not just see how they finesse me? See, why I stop playing this 2K18 shit, man? Good shot. Let's just hold it. Who's our best free throw shooter? I don't know. You gotta foul me. Maybe I put the ball in the wrong person's hands. Nope, come on. Ah, shit. Wait a minute. We don't need no timeout, bruh. The game's tied. We don't need a timeout. I still got enough time to come down, waste time off the clock. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this. Fuck that. Just looking at the court. Looking at the sky. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on! Come on! Come on! Let's go! You don't got enough time to do anything. Let's go!
So the Bulls made it. They beat the Bucks. We got one more game, man. Let me fix this lineup. Is my man back? He is. Josh Jackson, cold. Ariza's out. Last game. So it look like I ain't got to jump in on this, or I might have to. I'm going to jump in.
I'm getting this ring today. I don't want to do too many seasons. No, 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 no. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. Let's play D. Let's play D. This shit. That's on me. That was on me. That crazy pass, that was on me. I didn't want to do that. That crazy pass, that was on me. I didn't know what color we was. Chill! Let's go! Oh yeah, we playing the scrubs. Come on. Good shot. Are we gonna do this shit? Like, fucking defense. Switch, man. Switch. Damn. Still got enough time. And come on with and one. I need to and one with it, ref. Let's go. First bucket going down. Second bucket going down. Come on. One. Down one. Good miss. I don't know. Bro, what the fuck? Come on. 25 seconds. Foul. LaMelo fouled out. That's cool. Miss one of these, bruh. Shit. Let's go. I'm gonna add one. It's not safe. Don't want to foul the ramp, but I have to. He ain't gonna miss. He's automatic. I should have jumped in earlier. Should have jumped in with like 5 minutes on the clock, man. Damn. Still got time though. Still got enough time. Should have put my shit in fuck. Thank you. Charge! My nigga, this game is finessing. Charge? Like, where? Come on, man. GG, fuck it. Next season we go. Close out game, looking like this.
Golden State got another ring. So going into our third season, that's what our team look like. Devin Booker, 89. DeAndre Ayton, 88. Josh Jackson, 84. Mikal Bridges, 82. Alexander, 82. Kendall Johnson, 80. Taco Fall, he looked like he should be an 81. He should be 80, 81. So at the end of our third season, Giannis got the most valuable player with 26 points a game. Hogan got rookie of the year with 26 points a game. Blake Griffin, sixth man of the year, 18 points a game. Kawhi Leonard, defensive player of the year with 3 steals and 2 blocks a game. Dario Saric got most improved player. And coach of the year goes to Don Carter with 60 and 22. Let's see if anybody from my team made it. Nope. No Phoenix Suns. Okay. Well, let's go on and check out our player stats. Devin Booker, 18.1 points a game. Kendall Johnson, 12 points a game. Miles Bridges, 11. Josh Jackson, 11. LaMelo Ball 10. The Hornets winning 7 going into our 4th season. This is what it's looking like. What I'm about to do, I'm about to move into power forward because we got Taco Fall, and Taco Fall needs to actually play. It's no point of having, and he jumped up to an 83 by doing, I mean a 93 by doing that. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put him at power forward. We don't have a dominant power forward. Chris, he's gonna come off the bench, but I want to get this championship, and I want to do it this year. I think we got the talent to do it. So let's go on and get this championship. After our 4th season, Reed got most valuable player with 22 points, 10 rebounds a game. Kyrie Walker got rookie of the year, 24 points a game. Blake Griffin, 6th man of the year. Sharif O'Neal, defensive player of the year. Most improved player, Alexander. And coach of the year. Can we get somebody on our team to make a team? God damn. Guess not. Let's go ahead and check out our stats. It's not impressive. It's not impressive at all. He went up to a 94 by putting him at power forward. Tough. Taco Fall, broken leg. Wow. Injured.
I'm not gonna finesse it this time, man. I'm not gonna do no crazy shit. Come on, to the rack. Easy. Easy. Come on. Euro? Euro with the ball stick? The ball stolen? What? Come on, Hall of Fame. Defense, I mean, Hall of Fame is not that. It's not, come on, bro. Like, all jokes aside, it's Hall of Fame now. Like, it's not that good. It's not that good. Like, y'all finessing. Come on. To the rack. Good shot, good shot, good shot. I know it was good. I knew it was good. I knew it was good. And I was trying to stop it. I was trying to stop it, you guys. But it's all good. 5 minutes in overtime. If I can't score right here. Ah, good shit, good shit, good shit. Okay. We got 5 minutes in overtime. I think we're good. No sweat off my back. No sweat. Still easy. I'm gonna abuse Carmelo. That's the key. Abuse Carmelo. He's too slow. Lateral quickness is gone all the way down. 36, I think. Chris Paul is still slow too, so I just gotta abuse him too. Ah, good shit. Fuck. Come on, don't sag off like that though, bro. Just still. The block. Come on. Jump like, oh my god, what are you doing? Yeah. Now, peace, Chris. Let's go, bruh. Your time to shine. This is your time to shine. This is your moment. You ain't played with us for a long time, but this is your moment now. A lot of G Leagues, Carmelo shouldn't be that open. Like, come on, bruh. Don't finesse. Look, he don't even dunk. Why don't he dunk the ball? No. What is you doing? Like, come on, get on somebody. Where's Taco Fall? Please come back. I know you was injured. Wide open. Thank you. We finally get a foul. Nope, still no Taco Fall. Alright, so. Down 2. Oh, good smoke. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? I didn't ask for help. Matter of fact, I did. Let me take this shit off before I get fucking finesse. I get a foul, please. Please, bro, stop it. Goodness. No, man, this is Joe Harris. Jason Harris, whatever your fucking name is. Man, give me a screen, bro. Foul. Foul. Can I get a fucking and one? But if it was done, maybe we get the and one. Let me get the and one, bro. Come on, it's a steal. Let's see, man. Ah, and one. Ah. Joe Harris. I mean, Jason Harris. Come on. Oh, he missed both? Good D. Good shot, good shot, good shot. Come on, good put back. Okay, down two. Backcourt, 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 backcourt. Good dunk, and one. Good D. Oh, man, like, we got such a fucking stacked team, and we just can't get the job done. Like, that's irritating. Like, this shit is irritating. Like, it's so fucking irritating. Like, we literally got players on our bench that's 80s. And I'm talking about more than one, and we still can't get the job done. Like, I don't know what it is with this fucking lineup. I don't know, like, and I'm trying to be as realistic as possible with this shit, but it's like, dog. So that's a good person to foul. Come on, you gotta miss, man. Dog. Yeah, we lost. Jeez, I got the that was available at the time.
LeBron looked like he got it. Yep, LeBron got his championship. He brought that to LA, going into our fifth and final season. DeAndre A 94 overall, Devin Booker 91 overall, Josh Jackson, I think he was at 87 last year. Now he's at 86. We need to get a championship. Who's in free agency? I haven't read. Probably the sign. Nope. Lance Stevenson. Oh, he can come. Let's go. Bring you ass on. And is you coming for a minimum deal? So after the end of the fifth season, Zion Williamson gets most valuable player, bro. Rookie of the year, sixth man of the year, defensive player of the year, most improved player, coach of the year. Like, we gonna be up here for something. We gonna be up for something. God damn. I think not. Nope. Well, we're second in the Western Conference with a record of 56 and 26. Check out these stats. Devin Booker, 16 points. Like, this shit is still trash, but Devin Booker jumped up to a 92. He jumped up to a 95. DeAndre Ayton jumped up to a 95. They might be Kobe and Shaq, but they got to get a job. They got to get a ring. So this time, I'm going to get a ring. Timberwolves got game 1, got game 2. They got game 3. I'm going to simcast because I want to win. Fuck it. We blew them out. Good stuff. He got 2 Hall of Fame matches. Tough. Why they keep telling me to give him more minutes? Like, why doesn't he have endless minutes? Like, the hell? Let's go. Okay, so we got game 5. Let's see if we can pull it off. We got game 6, game 7. Win or go home. Man, I'm not doing it no more. I could jump in. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it no more, bro. I'm not doing it. I can't win with the Suns. That's just it. Like, Realistic rebuilds, bro. These are super hard. These are super hard to do. Y'all see me do 5 seasons, and this shit is just like through the draft. I did through the draft, but you gotta realize everybody is getting better through the draft. Everybody's getting better during the offseason. Everybody's. I'm not making trades. I'm just trying to do through the draft because I don't know who they're gonna give up. I'm not trying to force trades. I'm not trying to finesse people because you know it's easy to finesse people. You can do a trade when you can give up a low rated player and they give you Hassan Whiteside. I'm not gonna finesse the next team, you know what I'm saying? Because they wouldn't do that in real life. They not gonna give up Hassan Whiteside for trash. You know what I'm saying? But in this 2K game, they always seem to give you Rudy Gobert, Hassan Whiteside, like people, the team's best player for trash. I'm not gonna do that. I'm trying to make this realistic as possible. And it seemed like with the Phoenix Suns, you know what? I'm gonna do one more year. I'm doing all this complaining. I'm gonna do one more year. If I can't win this game, I'm gonna do one more year. Lost. I'm gonna do one more year. I'm gonna do one more year. I'm gonna bring a championship. I'm going to bring a championship. I'm not gonna just give up. I'm not gonna give up. LeBron James Jr. is coming into this. I'm winning this championship. Fuck that. Fuck it. I came too far, bro. We're going to our 16th, 6 years. Going into our last and final season. I'm gonna make sure of this. This is our 6th year. Look at the team, bro. Look at all these 80s. We have to get a ring. It's either now or never with this ring. Damn, they got Zaire Wade. Paul George is trash. Westbrook is still good at the age of 33. That's tough. Contracts will resign. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to make trades. I know I said that I wasn't gonna make trades. I'm on the trade finder. Um, you can go see what we can get for you. Now this is why I stopped being unrealistic. That's the truth. Cause I want a championship, and I'm tired of just sitting around not getting a championship. Like it's boring. This is so boring, you guys. Sitting around here trying to do things with this team and it's not working. After our sixth season, Zion Williamson got most valuable player again. He's balling out of control. Rookie of the year, sixth man of the year, Westbrook at 90 fucking 4? Six man? Reed, defensive player of the year, Trey Patterson, most improved player, coach of the year goes to our coach. Finally, you doing something right. Let's see if you're gonna get a person on a nope. And the Sixers got 3? That's crazy. What I wanted to show you guys stats. So he had a better year this year. Good. But this is what I wanted to show y'all. So I also got I traded away a player on our team, and I got Antetokounmpo and Rudy Gobert because I needed to. I needed to. But as you guys see our record, that was a good trade because we was the number 1 seeded team in the West, 62-20. What I wanted to do, coaching settings. So this is gonna be our lineup going into the playoffs. Let's get this championship.
And one! Free throw is trash, by the way. His free throw is garbo. Drop that. Press down on him. 3. Kindle. And 1! Ah, we're down 1, bro. Let's go. Championship. What the fuck kind of jump shot is that, though, bro? Like, what the fuck kind of jump shot is that? Seriously. Goodness. And 1. Johnson, get out the game, bro. Like, we got hot overalls, but y'all want to run these trash niggas. Like, what the fuck is y'all doing? All these hot overalls off the bench, y'all want to run trash? Good pump fake. Tried to help too late. I'm about to take Devin Book out the game, too, because this nigga can't defend a doorknob. Seriously. Come on. Why do they all have the same jump shot? Like, they jump shot, I mean, they free throw shots are all the same. Like, all of their jumps are the same. The D. Come on. And 1! That might have been my downfall. Devin Booker, bum ass. Can't even fucking defend a doorknob. This shit. Oh, he missed. He's too slow. Bye-bye. Got this game tied up. Good D. Good block. Come on. Goodness. That's a foul. And 1! Get him out of here! It looked like Antetokounmpo might have been a pickup we needed. Somebody who can actually play defense. Good step back. He fucked me up with that one. That was on ball! He does. Come on. I'm just trying to fill him out. Get him out the way. You help him or not. Come on. Clutch free throw, bro. Clutch free throws. Come on. We got Austin Rivers. He's too small. Good D. He's too little. Get on the opposite side if you got to. Get on the opposite side. Blah! Too little. I didn't want to do that. I'm trying to attack the paint. Oh, that was supposed to be a block. Sorry, if I can only get fucking finesse. Yeah, they don't want me to win. They seriously don't want me to win. I just went out of bounds, but he don't get out of bounds. Come on. I tell you, man. I tell you. I told you about to the ball. I was about to say. 2K, stop finessing me. Good block. Malcolm. Brogdon. Three. Three. Good miss. Good shot. Tough. That was tough. Come on, you right there, big dog. You serious? No, you right there, bro. You right there, bro. Good D. I don't need this nigga in the game, do I? Good shot. It's like they jumping right in front of the ball, like. Come on, thank you. They finally doing something good. I don't even know who you is, bro. Your eyes are lazy as hell. See, they trying us. Good shot. Green, finally, I finally get a green. Finesse is real, finesse cheese. Bully ball. All we need is a stop. And one. Jordan Tucker, he a beast. Come on. Good miss. Let's go. What type of shot was that, bro? I was not trying to strike it. Sometimes I'm not even trying to shoot that shot. Good miss. Easy. Come on, bro. Come on. Why are you reaching in? We good. You don't need to do that right now, bro. Three. It's a no-brainer right. In the corner. Well, I'm sure you got corner specialist. Good miss. You don't even do that in real life. To the rack. Come on. Championship will bust, my nigga. But yeah, this is us. This is our game. The Andre Aiden. This is your championship ring tonight, man. But I know this is only the first round, I think. But this is championship. The second round. But we're going to the finals. Good fucking block, man. Let's go! Give me that, man. Bang. Finally. Good defense, man. Look like Rudy Gobert. That was the pick we needed, actually. I know he got the defensive anchor badge, so that probably made everybody else better on defense. Well, it did, as you guys see. Give me that! As soon as I put Rudy Gobert in, the whole aura changed. Our whole defensive changed. Let's go. Give me that! Let's go. This nigga hit, man. What, a Nicholas Batum? Good shot. It's over with. Come on. It is over with. Come on. I'm getting this ring. It took me 6 years to get this ring, bro. 6 long seasons to finally get a ring. Championship, nigga.
Closeout game is looking like this. We are in the finals. Closeout game is looking like this. Oh, we got the Bulls. Who do the Bulls have? Kyrie Walker. Look at this team. They got a stacked team, though, bro. They look just like us, actually. They literally look just like us. Like their team looks like 12-3. So they just breeze through it, and we 12-8. Oh, this is gonna be tough. We got game one. They got game two. I'm gonna simcast the rest of these. Uh, Bulls might be a tough one. This might be really tough. I think they got game three. Okay, we got game four. Damn. They got game five. I'm a simcast, and if I gotta jump in, I'm gonna jump in.
No mistakes this time. I'm gonna use the purple chain. Look, look, look. Look, look, look. Come on, get the fuck off me. Anyone, get the fuck off me, man. Let's go. Malcolm Brogdon. 20 points. All right, Johnson, get out of the game now, bro. They won! And they got Moses Brown. Good pick and roll, man. Still. Go Bird! And he's injured! Come on. Ah, damn, this nigga slow. Ah, could have took that, could have took that. Oh! Good way to freeze the defense. Good block. Go Bird! Shot contest. Back up. Oh yeah, that freezes the defense. Oh, okay. Okay. Did I just find the cheese? Did I just find the cheese? I think I just did. Ah, come on, bro. Let's go. Good miss. Tough, tough. Ah, I didn't do that. Tough, 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 tough. Come on. Come on. That was too late on that. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Somebody got a broken back or something? Good block! And one! To the rack! Bruh, this is why Gobert and Hassan Whiteside are cheeses in this game, bruh. Mean and nasty with it. Up 12, man. Well, up 10. Let's go. Let's go. And it's on Hall of Fame. Just want to let you guys know it's on Hall of Fame. Didn't touch anything. Let's go. Come on, man. I found out how to freeze the defense, though. That's something that I didn't know about. Oh, come on, Gobert. I thought that was... Ah, good shit, good shit. Good. This is where that fake ass shit come into play. Malcolm Brogdon. So it looks like Malcolm Brogdon, Rudy Gobert, and Kostas Antetokounmpo really just did something to my team that I needed. Like, Josh Jackson just wasn't cutting it. Josh Jackson and... I gave it to somebody else. If y'all remember the team, I gave it to somebody else. Let's go. And Devin Booker is a super liability, too. You know, with him not being able to play good defense. What a bad back! Did y'all... From 3? In his face? Did he just mouth him? mypark, Kyrie Walker, Rudy Gobert.
Last and final game. Like I said, if I gotta jump in, I'm gonna jump in. Well, I'm gonna jump in even if I do win, so I want to see the celebration. All right, I'm jumping in. It's tied up. I'm jumping in now.
Come on, white on white. Like, what the fuck? Good shot. Tough. Mm. So we still got a lot of time. Why you ain't done? Good shot. It's hard to figure out which team is which. Like, the fuck? Come on. No excuses. No excuses, y'all. Come on. I don't know how he just like slithering through us. Like, time out, man. Time out. I can't keep Devin Booker out here too long. Like, I can't. Good dunk. I was really trying to get a foul, but we'll live with it. Well, I didn't. That's not a foul that I wanted to do. Come on, computer. Do not sell us out. Please don't. Good miss. No fucking, bro, that's a... I'm sorry, I gotta know that was a foul. Like, the nigga leaned back. That wasn't no... Man, that's a foul, bro. I want it, nigga. Fuck out of here. Come on, get the out of the way. Space the floor, get out of the way. Let's go, down 3. Good shot. I know it's going in. He missed, he missed. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Clutch. Let's go. Let's go. Good shit. I know I just remembered that Costas Antetokounmpo plays with the Mavericks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, what the? You open, bruh. Fuck, this nigga got the Larry Bird syndrome. But this to me, this still is a realistic draft. Like, I'm not gonna do it over. Like, I would just remember that Costas plays with Dallas Mavericks. He was the last pick in the second round. And one. Shea Alexander. Let's go. Get him out of the way. And, I need to add one with it, bro. Let's go. A 3. Let's go. Good fucking way to read the pass lane. Wide open, bro. I wanted a 3, but we'll live with that 2. And then I released it early. Nigga jump shot the worst. Nigga jump broken as hell. Jump ball in the air. We are in the air, man. This video took 3 hours. Look at that. This shit. Had to pull something up. Let's go. Nigga Garbo on offense. But he can do that shit? steal, good steal. Out of bounds. Bro, he's running out of bounds. He's literally running out of bounds. The nigga is literally running out of bounds, bro. Had to go fast on that one. And he's clutch. This boy really might be Larry Bird, Larry Legend. Jump ball, we in the air again. Come on. 112 on the clock. Ah, good shit. Try to grab that shit. Ah, good miss, good miss. Good read. I think not. You wasn't about to finesse me. You see how I tried to go for the charge? Like these, holding his nuts like these? Fuck out of here, man. You ain't about to finesse me, dog. Let's go. Championship. I need a screen. And one. Tough. We finally did it. 6 seasons. 6 long seasons for this moment. It took us 6 long seasons. I don't know how many times I want to give up on this. Let's go. And it's on Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame is me trying to cheese and finesse you. Come on. Get that! See, they trap me. That's all they do is try to trap. You don't shoot those. Quick pass. 100%. This is what happens when you take the stage. 100%. 6 years. Finally. The Suns get a championship. After 6 long seasons, we finally get a championship. Do y'all not know how fucking hard? Look at the highlights. Get dunked on. The 3. Bye. Pull up and D. Onto the Kumpo. Let's get it. Wouldn't you think it'd be Devin Booker? So they said Shea Alexander. The Kumpo. 7. Kyrie Walker went for 36 points. 36, 7, and 5.
Let's get it! Finals MVP goes to Shea Alexander. His stat line was trash. But let's get it! Look how long it took me, bro. 6 seasons. He was a rookie. Took me 6 seasons. He jumped up to a 96 overall, two-way superstar. Devin Booker jumped up to a 90 overall. That's tough. Back injury, pinched nerve. He's out for the season. And he had the clutchest threes to, like he wasn't giving up with the Larry Bird syndrome. That's crazy, man. Let's get it. Make sure y'all rate, subscribe, comment, or like, subscribe, comment. I mean, I'm saying rate like this is fucking 2009 YouTube. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment, share, thumbs up this video, all of that. Bruh, we finally get a championship, bruh. After 6 long seasons, man. And I'm out, bruh.